Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp web on Chrome in laptop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Chrome browser and search for WhatsApp web, and you need to open the first website here. And once you open here, you will receive a code. So you need to scan this QR code. So these steps you need to follow in the smartphone. So now I'm going to show you what you need to do on to the smartphone to scan this. So let me open my smartphone screen here. Then you need to go on to the WhatsApp, click on three dots, click on link devices, click on link a device, click on OK. So here is my laptop, click on that, click on login, and you need to scan the code with this. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.